Palawan Agricultural Experiment Station is a integrated research station under the regional operations of the Mimaropa region. And we have three major crops that programs that we are implementing in terms of research and development. The three programs that I'm telling is that one is we need to expand our Kasui program. And we started also on the invigorating the vegetable program of the province. And then the third is the mango pulp weevil eradication program. Under these programs, we started to expand the plantation of cashew. Dahil nung una, pinuputol na ng mga tao yung Kasui plantations nila dahil walang support from the agencies concerned. And we established a program which is called Adapt a Municipality on Kasui Research and Development Program. We started adapting Roxas Municipality in 2006. And we established their techno-demo on cashew. And then another is that we train their propagators while establishing their nursery. And then we supply them with quality seedlings of 6 Kasui cultivars we have developed here. From there, we adopt some island municipalities such as Cuyo, yung Calamianes group of islands composed of Coron, Busuanga, and Culion, and El Nido, and Dumaran and Araceli. Yung harvest nila at nag-increase by 100% compared to traditional varieties na cultivars na ginamit nila. And after 5 years, we supplied them with 5,000 grafted seedlings, which ito ang naging simula ng kanilang expansion ng plantation. So, ang nangyari is that sa halip na magbawa sila ng Kasui, nagdagdag ng plantation. At nung lumaki na yung production natin, nagkaroon tayo ng problema in terms of processing. So, in 2010, nag-start kami dito ng processing at nagturo na kami sa mga village natin. Doon pumasok ang bar. Nakita nila na kailangan na nating enhance yung processing natin. Isang staff ng bar ang pumunta dito at nag-introduce na, sige, willing kaming suportahan kayo, at nagbigay sila for the repair ng building natin and pambili ng equipment na kailangan. Yung Kasui program natin is, we established the value adding on cashew of 160%. Meaning, ang cashew, binebenta lang ng farmer natin dito, 30 pesos per kilo, maximum. Pero yung 1 kilo processed cashew, umabot dito ng 400 pesos per kilo. Ngayon, ang Roxas ngayon is, naka-establish na tayo ng mga village processing center. Nag-generate ng employment within the community kung saan may assembler. We are now looking to adopt Taytay this year para makumpleto na natin yung buong municipality in the north on the research and development ng Kasui. At alam nyo, last month, nakatrain na tayo around 200 cashew farmer na ngayon in-establish ng DSWD as magiging village processor na sila sa Taytay. The second is that we invigorate vegetable program. We implement Gulayan sa Palawan and we establish communities of vegetable growers, militaries and schools. And this is a community participatory approach of establishing vegetable program initiatives. And then after that, the mango pulp bill was launched. In 2007, Director Ilasar encouraged our regional director to promote rubber in Palawan. And since Palawan is, ito'y walang bagyo dito, at saka walang malakas na hangin, so talagang appropriate yung rubber para maging alternate crops. Aside from mango and cashew, so nag-introduce na ang rubber dito. Hindi lang basta nagpo-produce sila, kundi kasama na tayo sa research ng rubber. And that research ay ito yung nagsimula na rin to commercialize the rubber clones na available dito. And this research, ang objectives nito ay may promote natin yung proper protocol on the ano bang talagang dapat na clones ang adaptable dito sa Palawan. And we introduced the RIM 600, PB 260, and USM 1, PB 311, and PB 330 as the 5 clones na outstanding in terms of validation na ginawa namin. We clustered Palawan into 4 clusters. We established Technodemo in the south, Española, kasi ito yung sentro ng talagang southern Palawan. And Puerto Princesa as the second cluster. We selected El Nido as one of the clusters. We established nurseries in Coron, and from there we train our cooperators, orientation training, and then binigyan natin sila ng yung production training ng ating yung sa rubber. Sa 6 na farmers na ito, itatanim niya yung sa kanyang area yung 5 clones, at dito makikita kung ito ay adaptable nga sa Palawan condition. At as of now, we have already produced around 30,000 seedlings of budded seedlings ng rubber. May 2 tayong budwood garden na established dito. Isa sa southern part, sa Abo-Abo, makikita nyo doon yung ating nursery. And then dito sa Provincial Agricultural Center, which is the main center of our nursery. Dito rin sa 2 project site na ito, meron tayong mga budwood garden composed of 5 cultivars selected as outstanding. At last year, nag-establish na rin tayo ng budwood garden sa Coron. At ngayong taon na ito ay tatanim na rin yung kanilang mga yung seedlings na identify natin para maging Technodemo site sa Calamianes Group of Island. Meron kaming ginagawang agri-based product promotion. At nakipag-partner kami sa isang cooperative natin dito, which is Palawan DA Cooperative. Naglaan ng 100,000 ng DA Cooperative para makapag-establish naman tayo ng marketing center. Nakita rin ito ng AMAD at nagdagdag sila ng isang building para sa marketing center ng kasuy natin and other products, processed products. And it will become a agritourism center na this coming year. So we innovate yung kung tawagin natin reinvent technologies. Because of the reinvention ng technologies natin, papunta na tayo ngayon sa isang areas na hindi pa natin naabot, which is the incubation of agribusiness incubation program. Yung ginawa nating processing center nito, yung sinuportahan ng BAR, this will become our agribusiness incubation center. Yung mga potential village processor natin na nakapag-establish na ng mga plantation, dito na natin sila lulutuin. Lilimliman na natin sila. Parang later on, magiging entrepreneur, agri-entrepreneur na sila. Ang focus natin ngayon is yung mga out of school youth. Dahil sila yung next generation farmers natin. May partner tayo sa Miracle Foundation. Meron tayong 31 students dito, nasa graduating student na sila. Sila ang kauna-unahang recipient natin for the incubation project. So, our programs and projects ngayon within the station focus on preparing the next generation. That is our social responsibility.